Welcome back to module 3 of the unit determinants and matrices, and we would be talking about the various operations that we have on matrices. Now we know that in our usual number system we have our operations that we commonly use, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication. So similar to that, even in the matrix space we have operations wherein we can add matrices, subtract matrices or multiply matrices. Okay. Like how we have a 0 in our number system, we have a 0 matrix in the matrix space, and the identity, the number 1 that we have in the number system. Okay. Similarly we have an identity or the unit matrix in this system. Okay, so we would be talking about a similar kind of operations that we have even using matrices. Equality of matrices. We say two matrices are equal if they are of the same order and the corresponding elements are equal. Okay, what it means is, suppose I have a matrix A. Okay, we have been writing as Aij of order m by n. In that case, we are referring to a matrix like A11, A12 and so on, A1n. Okay, it has m rows and n columns. So A21, A22 and so on, A2n. So like this we have AM1, AM2 and so on, AMN. So if this is the matrix A, and suppose the matrix B that I have, okay, if B, the order of for the two matrices to be equal, their order first has to be same. So if I have a matrix B, Bij, then even this, the order of this should be equal to m by n. In that case, this B should be of the form, say B11, B12 and so on, B1n. So B21, B22 and so on, B2n and so on, BM1, BM2 and so on, BMN. Okay, so if I have these two matrices, we will say both these matrices are equal if their orders are same. Their orders are same right now, and every element in the respective positions, they should be equal. That means A11 and B11, these numbers, two positions should have the same number. A12, this position and this position should have. So the position wise, the value should also be equal. Okay, so if I have to say, can the matrix 4 0 minus 1 2 be equal to 4yx2? So for two matrices to be equal, they should be of the same order and the respective elements should be equal. So I have 4, 4, 2 and 2. So the only way these two matrices can be equal is y has to be equal to 0 and x has to be equal to minus 1. Okay, so for matrices to be equal, the respective position value should be equal. Okay, so if I have to ask whether 4 0 minus 1 2 can be equal to 4yx1, in this case the answer will be no. That's because the respective positions, if I look at, I have 2 here, I have 1 here. So even if y is equal to 0, still the two matrices cannot be equal because these two positions have distinct elements. So for two matrices to be equal, the respective position should have the same value and they should have the same order. Now addition of matrices. Okay, so suppose I have two matrices, A 4 0 minus 1 2 and B 6 3 0 minus 1. Now the first condition for matrices to be added is that the order should be same. Now this is a 2 by 2 matrix, this is a 2 by 2 matrix. So let us say I want to find out A plus B. Okay, so A plus B is 4 0 minus 1 2 plus 6 3 0 minus 1. So the first thing that you will do before adding two matrices is check their dimensions or order. So it is a 2 by 2 matrix, this also has to be a 2 by 2 matrix. To add the two matrices, what you will do is you will add the respective position. So 4 plus 6. So 4 plus 6, 0 plus 3, 0 plus 3, minus 1 plus 0, minus 1 plus 0, and 2 plus minus 1, 2 plus minus 1. So what I did was I added the values in the respective positions for this matrices to be added. So what I'll get is 10, 3, minus 1, 1. So if I have a matrix A which is Aij and a matrix B which is Bij, then we say A plus B is equal to, so if this is M cross N, this is M cross N, then A plus B will be Aij plus Bij. We add the respective positions, the values in the respective positions. So when performing additions, add each element in the first matrix to the corresponding element in the second matrix. For addition to be performed, matrix dimensions should be same. Okay, and matrix addition is commutative. That means whether you add A plus B or B plus A, you are going to get the same matrix. So A plus B is same as B plus A. Okay, let's say for example, if we have these two matrices, okay, I have X and Y. Suppose I want to find out X plus Y. What will be X plus Y? You will add the respective position value. So 1 plus 0, 1 plus 0, minus 3 plus minus 2, and this 2, 2 plus minus 5. Okay, so here we'll have 0 plus 1, then this to this I have 4 plus 6, and I'll have minus 1 plus 1. Okay, so if I simplify this, we'll have 1, we'll have minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5, I have 2 minus 5 is minus 3, then I have 1, 10 and 0. So this will be the sum of the two matrices, and I could add them because their orders are same. Both are 2 by 3 matrices. If you consider these two matrices, can I add these two matrices? If I have to find out A plus B, now this is a matrix which is of order 3 by 3, whereas this is a matrix which is of order 3 by 2. Okay, now because their dimensions are not same, I cannot really add this two matrices. So A plus B is not valid here. We cannot really add these two matrices. The same way we have subtraction of matrices, and a similar principle here. So consider the two matrices A and B. So let us say I want to find out A minus B. Now what is A minus B? A here is 4, 0, minus 1, 2, minus B I have 6, 3, 0, minus 1. Okay, again for two matrices to be subtracted, again their dimension should be same. Now this is a 2 by 2 matrix, this is also a 2 by 2 matrix, so I can subtract B from A. So to subtract the matrices, the similar principle, you have to subtract the value in the second matrix from the respective value or the respective position value in the first matrix. So it will be 4 minus 6, 4 minus 6, then 0 minus 3, 0 minus 3, minus 1 minus 0, minus 1 minus 0, and 2 minus minus 1, 2 minus minus 1. Okay, so what will happen is you will get this matrix 4 minus 6 is minus 2, here minus 3, minus 1, and 2 plus 1, 3. So A and B are 2 by 2 matrices. This will also be a 2 by 2 matrix. So what do we do? So in general, if I have A is equal to Aij of order m cross n, and B is Bij of order m cross n, order should be same. A minus B is Aij minus Bij. We subtract Bij from Aij for each of the positions. So this is how we carry out subtraction of matrices. So when performing subtraction, subtract each element in the second matrix from the corresponding element in the first matrix. For subtraction to be performed, again the matrix dimensions should be same, and matrix subtraction is not commutative. So if I consider A minus B and B minus A, in general this need not be the same. That's because the number subtraction itself is not commutative. Okay, because A minus B need not be same as B minus A. So if I consider these matrices X and Y, X is of order 2 by 3, Y is also of the order 2 by 3. So I can, if I have to find out X minus Y, I can really carry out this subtraction because both have the same dimensions. So if I want to find out X minus Y, it is 1 minus 3 2, 0 4 minus 1 minus this matrix 0 minus 2 minus 5 1 6 1. So what I have to do? I have to subtract the respective position values. So 1 minus 0, then I have minus 3 minus minus 2 minus minus 2, and 2 minus minus 5, 2 minus minus 5. Then we have 0 minus 1, 0 minus 1, 4 minus 6, 4 minus 6, minus 1 minus 1, minus 1 minus 1. Okay, so what I have is finally 1, minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1, 2 plus 5 is 7, 0 minus 1 is minus 1, 4 minus 6 is minus 2, minus 1 minus 1 is minus 2. So this is X minus Y, and this is also a 2 by 3 matrix. So for matrix to be subtracted, their dimension should be same. So if I consider these two matrices, which we considered earlier also, this is a 3 by 3 matrix and B is a 3 by 2 matrix. Can I find out A minus B? No, I cannot find A minus B because their dimensions are not the same. Then we have a scalar multiplication. Whenever you want to multiply a number, a scalar, to a matrix. Okay, so let us say you have a matrix 4 0 minus 1 2, or 2 by 2 matrix, and let's say you want to multiply 5 to this matrix A. Okay, so you are multiplying by a scalar 5 to A. So it is like 5 multiplied to this matrix A, 4 0 minus 1 2. So when you have to multiply a number to a matrix, what you have to do is you have to multiply this number 5 to each of this element. So 5 multiplied to this matrix is, so you have to multiply 5 to 4, 5 to 0, 5 to this minus 1, and 5 to this 2. So you are multiplying this number 5 to each of this. What you will get is 20, 0, minus 5 and 10. So 5 4s are 20, 5 0, 5 into 0 is 0, 5 into minus 1 minus 5, 5 into 2 is 10. So in general, if you have a scalar A, K, that you want to multiply to a matrix A, okay, let us assume that A is equal to Aij. Then K multiplied to A is same as K multiplied to each of the element inside this matrix. If this is m by n, this is also m by n. So suppose if you consider this matrix A, and let's say you want to multiply 3 to this scalar multiplication, 3 multiplied to A. So you'll multiply this 3 to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So to carry out this scalar multiplication, you will multiply this 3 to each of this element. 3 into 1 3, 3 into 2 6, 3 into 3 9, 3 into 4 12, 3 into 5 15, 3 into 6 18, 3 into 7 21, 3 into 8 24, 3 into 9 27. So scalar multiplication is, what you do is you multiply a scalar to a matrix. That means this scalar value is multiplied to each and every element of the matrix. So suppose you have these two matrices, x is equal to 1 minus 3 2, 0 4 minus 1, and y is equal to 0 minus 2 minus 5 1 6 1. You want to find out 3x plus 4y. So 3x plus 4y is 3 into x is 1 minus 3 2 0 4 minus 1 plus 4 multiplied to y 0 minus 2 minus 5 1 6 1. So what will you do? You will multiply first 3 to this matrix and 4 to this matrix. So this will be equal to 3 into 1 3, 3 into minus 3 minus 9, 3 into 2 6, 3 into 0 0, 3 into 4 12, and 3 into minus 1 minus 3. Plus you will multiply 4 to each of this value in the matrix. So 4 into 0 0, 4 into minus 2 minus 8, 4 into minus 5 minus 20, 4 into 1 4, 4 into 6 24, 4 into 1 4. And now you will carry out the matrix addition. Okay, the dimensions are same, so you can very well add these two matrices. So 3 plus 0 is 3, minus 9 plus minus 8 is minus 9 minus 8, which is minus 17. 6 plus minus 20 is minus 14. 0 plus 4 is 4. 12 plus 24 is 36. And minus 3 plus 4 is 1. Okay, minus 3 plus 4 is 1. So the answer to this, if we wanted to compute this matrix, this comes to this matrix, and this is of the order 2 by 3.